Welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to copy someone's Instagram Reels. Let's start. For this, you have to open the Instagram app. Here, if you want to copy someone's Reels effect, then you have to tap on the Reels. For example, I'm gonna tap on my profile and find out the person whose Reels effect I want to copy. For example, I'm going to tap on this profile and then I'm going to tap on the Reels, and here you guys can see at the bottom of the post that this video is made with effect. Tap on made with effect, then you guys can see the effect. Here you guys can save it to use it later. Then you guys can also view the effect page. In here you guys can see the other reels made with this effect. Then go back, and if you tap on try it, then you guys can make a video with this effect. Now let's go back. So this is the way to copy someone's Reels effect. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.